How to see what country viewers are watching from on YouTube. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can find out what country people are watching you on YouTube. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up youtube.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're here, navigate to your profile icon in the top right corner, click on it. From here, you have to go to your YouTube studio, so click on YouTube studio. Once you're under your YouTube studio, click on Analytics from the sidebar on your left hand side. Now under Analytics, you have to head towards Audience, click on Audience tab. So once you are under your Audience section, scroll down, keep on scrolling, and there is a section that says Top Geographics. So under this section, you will find all of the people from different countries that are watching your videos on your YouTube account. Here, if you click on Show More, you will find other further details regarding the geography, and that will show all of this information such as cities, viewer age, viewer gender, geography, and under the section you can track all of the people that may be watching you from different countries. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.